Hello there, you beautiful and amazing people. I'm some guy called Aaron, and welcome to the channel.
Hello, would you like to change religions? I have a free book written by Jesus!
Now, I want to start this by saying, I'm not a Star Trek fan.
How dare you!
It's not really for me. It's a bit slower than I'd like, but as I've gotten older, I appreciate it a lot more and more. So, with the stuff I'm seeing with the new Picard series, the new Star Trek Discovery, or STD, I still can't believe that I got fucking past everything with that title. But
what do we do? I mean, do we go after him with one of your, things that you say, like a big bum dildo of vengeance or something?
There you go, that's my girl, yeah. Indiana Murray and the bum dildo of vengeance. I like it.
But here we are. So, me, as an outsider looking inwards to this, I found this incredible that this happened. And if you're a Star Trek fan, I want to give you a pat on the back and say, fuck me, I feel sorry for you.
19 bottles of milk on your doorstep. Tell me you're no longer alive. You sit on your favorite armchair, but your heartbeat will never revive. There's newspapers hanging from your letterbox. The post on your mat sits unread. If it wasn't for those 19 bottles of milk, well, we'd never know that you were dead.
Like, I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan, and the same thing is about to happen to me, let's be honest.
Give me another couple of minutes.
So, yeah. It's a little bit too on the nose for me, but let's watch this here. And yes, you are reading that right. Stacey Abrams is the president of the United Earth.
You serious?
I mean, Christ almighty. I've got to refer to Star Wars here for a minute, but all I've got in my head is that evil laugh from Jabba, the ho 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 ho, oh ho 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 ho. I mean, Christ, what is wrong with people? Like, why would you think this would be a great idea? Now, my knowledge is pretty limited here for Star Trek, but from what I can gather, they've gone back in time. They've also voted her the president of the United Earth, who was an isolationist planet at the time, and then they shot down the Enterprise in one of the movies or episodes or whatever it was. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I'm not a Star Trek fan, but I know that much. So she is in charge of shooting down the Enterprise on Star Trek. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but what the actual fuck? That's insane. I mean, is she playing the Earth itself or the actual president? Because fuck me, she's a fat fuck. But this is just ridiculously bad. It's so on the nose. And from what I've heard and from what I've seen, this is so woke. They're saying openly now capitalism is bad, even though Star Trek is a capitalist show done by a capitalist originally, and then they've gone back on his words and said everything's communist now.
Darling, I wouldn't fucking piss on you if you were fucking allergic to piss, right?
I mean, that's my knowledge of it. Like I said, I don't have a huge, extensive knowledge of Star Trek. And they're just going more and more social justice. But let's be fair. She's an open racist. She's a bigot. She's a fucking useless woman. And here we are. The president of United Earth. That is an isolationist planet that tried to blow up, or did blow up, the Enterprise.
What the hell was that?
Like I keep saying, in every video that I do, the unofficial catchphrase for this show is, who the fuck thought this would be a good idea? This show is hemorrhaging money. No one's watching it. Just please stop. Please. They've gone from flogging a dead horse to, they've brought out the guns. They're shooting it. They're beating it with a stick. They're stabbing it. They've strapped a fucking bomb to it and blew it up. I mean, this dead horse is now gone. But like I just said, who the fuck thought this would be a good idea? You're isolating your fans. You're destroying everything that the fans loved, and you're preaching to an audience that does not exist.
Gonna tell yous again. Keep it down.
What's the matter with you?
You're playing my customers.
Oh, shut up. We're your bloody customers at all.
You're no customers.
Just stop. This is terrible. Let's continue watching this. I mean, she's the captain, and she's effectively Space Jesus. She can do no wrong, and she cries a lot. I mean, Jesus fuck, the smugness of her face. God, she's so fat as well, like... I just find it funny that there's like not like any normal sane person on that whole set. You look around it, other than it's Doug Jones that plays the character. I mean, great character actor. I feel sorry for him because he's so good. He has to deal with this shit, but my God. The comments are just holy cringe. What the hell is this? My apologies for this. We just go on and on and on and on. I mean, the Star Walk. Glad I don't want to show. I could see the gap in her teeth. I know that the pandemic was serious, but I saw her teeth socially distanced. Ah, God, comment. Oh, liking that one. That's so good. That's so good. Oh, brilliant. Just, who the fuck thought this would be a good idea? Anyway, I thank you for watching. I'll leave you with that. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay awesome.